Hey everyone, let's have some fun. Thanks for tuning in today. On this video, I'm going to tell you about two celebrities that are kissing LA goodbye. And since this channel is all about real estate, we're going to look at their homes, which are both on the market right now, and talk about what's going on. Let's go. What's up guys, I'm Danny Batsalkin. I've been a real estate broker right here in Southern California for over 15 years. I'm also a real estate and business coach, an entrepreneur, and a former attorney. And on this channel, I talk about real estate, business, and finance because my passion is to help you make great decisions in these areas of your life. Be sure to follow me on Instagram where I post all kinds of business and personal stuff every single day. There has been no shortage of celebrities leaving Los Angeles lately, as 2020 has made a lot of people, including stars, evaluate their living situation. Today, we're taking a look at two celebrities that have their houses on the market right now. That's right, you can buy them, and they are leaving for greener pastures elsewhere. If you're excited about this show, do me a quick favor and hit that like button so that YouTube shows this video to more people. And while you're at it, if you want to be notified every time I release new videos about real estate, business, and finance, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. It's absolutely free. Go do it right now. And guys, be sure to stay until the end of this video and let me know in the comments which house you like better. I love reading the comments on the YouTube channel and I'm excited to see what you think. All right, let's start out with Gene Simmons, who's kissing Los Angeles goodbye. Get it? Okay, maybe that wasn't such a great joke. But anyhow, the longtime KISS frontman and his wife, Shannon Tweed Simmons, are listing their Benedict Canyon home for $22 million after living there nearly 4 decades. Let's take a look at the house and the awesome story behind it. So according to the Wall Street Journal, Gene Simmons met his future wife, model Shannon Tweed, at a Playboy Mansion party back in 1983. You know, I can only imagine what a party at the Playboy Mansion was like in 1983, but I digress. After their chance encounter in the grotto, they began looking for a house. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know if they met in the grotto, but I thought it'd be fun to throw that in there. Anyway, after they met, they started looking for a house and finally settled on one in the Benedict Canyon area of Los Angeles, which is a canyon area in LA that's really close to a lot of fun stuff and hip areas in Los Angeles. It's a very cool area. They bought this house back in 1983 for, wait for it, $1.35 million, which of course back in the day got you a lot of house here in LA. Now over the years, they've transformed it into a much larger estate and have remodeled it several times. Now they're moving to Mount Rainier in Washington because, well, like so many other people, they don't want to deal with California's taxes. Simmons was actually quoted as saying, "California and Beverly Hills have been treating folks that create jobs badly and the tax rates are unacceptable. I work hard and pay my taxes and I don't want to cry the Beverly Hills blues, but enough is enough." So guys, I've been talking about this on a lot of videos. You can check them out on my YouTube channel. I'll put them up over here somewhere. About California's taxes. Actually, I have a couple of videos coming up on that subject, but just everything in general that's going on in California and why a lot of people are leaving. We won't rehash that here because this is a real estate video about celebrities' homes. And so let's take a look at the house and what you get for that $22 million bucks. First of all, it's 16,000 square feet. It has 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms and sits on almost 2 acres in LA. That's a lot. And for those of you doing the math, that's $1,375 a square foot, which is actually not uncommon in this part of Los Angeles. The home has a 60-foot water slide. How fun would that be? Parking for 35 cars. It's actually a lot of cars. A tennis court and a ton of other amenities. Speaking of parties, I bet you there have been some pretty amazing parties at this house, and if you buy it, you could also have some awesome celebrations. Anyway, Josh and Matt Altman of Douglas Elliman are the listing agents. Now, hey guys, before we get to the next house, what do you think of Gene Simmons' property? Let me know in the comments below. I like this house and it's in a cool area, but wait till you see the next one that I'm about to show you. And by the way, after I show you the next house, let me know which house you like better. And be sure to stay until the end where I'll tell you which house I would choose if I was looking in the $22 million range. Let's stick with that same price range, guys, but head northwest to the beautiful LA suburbs of Westlake Village and Thousand Oaks, where another celebrity is likely leaving LA. Over in one of my favorite areas in Los Angeles, Sherwood Country Club, Wayne Gretzky and his wife Janet are selling their home for $22,900,000 and apparently heading over to Florida, maybe also to save on taxes. Who knows? Now, this house also has a very interesting story. So Wayne Gretzky actually built this house back in 2002, and then in 2007, he sold it to former baseball great Lenny Dykstra. You might have seen Lenny's story on Real Sports back in the day. Now remember, he bought the house in 2007, so right before the crash, Lenny had some financial trouble, and in 2018, Wayne Gretzky actually bought the house back from Lenny Dykstra for $13.5 million through a bankruptcy sale. So check this out, guys. It's been 2 years, and if I do the math correctly, that's going to be a really nice profit for the great one if the house sells for its asking price. Speaking of math, this house is listed for $1,725 per square foot, which is actually higher than Gene Simmons' house. And if I put my real estate broker hat on for just a minute, I'll tell you that this is probably a bit high for that area, but it is a one-of-a-kind house owned by a celebrity, so who knows, he may just get it. One other thing I should say, this house is in one of my absolute favorite locations in Los Angeles. Sherwood Country Club holds a special place in my heart. It's a gated community. It's got tons of amenities. I absolutely love the golf course. I will tell you that it's my favorite course in LA. And when I was in law school back at Pepperdine University, one summer I actually caddied there. So I love the area. It's one of my favorites, and that's why you see me featuring it on this channel a lot of times on my videos. Anyhow, let's take a look at the actual house. So 1072 Newbern Court, it's 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, over 13,000 square feet on a 6.5 acre lot. It's been newly remodeled. It basically sits atop its own mountain and has a 360-degree view of the Santa Monica Mountains and Lake Sherwood. This house is simply spectacular, you guys, and it has pretty much everything you could think of, including a tennis court, a movie theater, a gym, a wood-burning pizza oven, gotta have that, and its own gardens. Arvin.haddad with the agency is the listing agent on this one. All right, guys, so what do you think? You've seen some pretty amazing houses in that $22 million price range. So if you had that much money to spend, which house would you buy? Would it be Gene Simmons' rock star Benedict Canyon Estate or Wayne Gretzky's mansion at Sherwood Country Club? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you want to tour either one of those homes, let me know. One of my amazing agents on our all-star real estate team would be glad to help you out. And as promised, I'm going to tell you which house I would choose. Now, if you watch the video, it should probably come as no surprise that the Sherwood Country Club estate would be my choice. I love the area, I love the golf course, I love being that far away from LA where it isn't as congested, and it's just a great place. So that's the one I would pick if I were buying in that price range. Anyhow, you guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this property tour. If you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. If we're just meeting, my name is Danny Batsalkin, and if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you and I want to thank you for tuning in. My passion and my mission is to help you in the areas of real estate, business, and finance, and really make sure that you make great decisions in those areas in your life. I've been a real estate broker for over 15 years here in Southern California. I run a team of all-star agents at Discover Properties, and we help people buy and sell real estate and get amazing results here in Southern California, as well as the entire country with our referral partners. For the last several years, I've also coached some of the top real estate agents and teams in the entire country. And when I coach real estate agents, my goal is to help you create a real estate business that's predictable, profitable, and fun. If I can help you with any of those things, click the appropriate link in the description below, and it'll be my pleasure to help you out. If you're not already a subscriber to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified of every video that we put out. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button so that YouTube shows it to more people. Check out these other videos that I think you'll really enjoy. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.